Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Drown. Drown means die through submersion in water. For example, 2 fishermen were drowned when their motorboat capsized. 2 fishermen were drowned when their motorboat capsized. Synonyms: suffocate in water, inhale water.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Last November, 400 villagers risked drowning as the waters rose around them. Now, repeat after me. Last November, 400 villagers risked drowning as the waters rose around them. The second exempli. Yeah, when we did the stuff in the water, I almost drowned. Now, repeat after me. Yeah, when we did the stuff in the water, I almost drowned. The third exempli. He had been beaten and left to drown in the shallow water. Now, repeat after me. He had been beaten and left to drown in the shallow water.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
India has a higher English-speaking population than United Kingdom. Worldwide, India comes second only to the USA in its English-speaking population. The empire strikes back, and how?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.